Why my cars or trucks or bikes brakes lights, they are not working. And if we have LED light, like I have in here LED light, these lights works only when we have just right connection in these cables. And if we have cut or if we have installed in new lights in here and we disconnect these cables like in different position, that we install this black cable to this old red plus area and then this red area to black area, then these lights, they don't work. And let's look at what that really means. And I have in here my battery, and there is my car battery. And remember that information, that now when I connect these my cables in this battery area in that way, and this cables goes to this brake light, now we can see that now this light is working. There is this my second LED is in here. But then when I change these cables like in another side, in that way, that this cable takes contact in here and that black one in here, now we can see that now this brake light is off. And this is really important to remember, that we have to connect these LED lights in just in right way, in that way. Look, that this part belongs in here, and if you have any issues in your brake lights, please check these cables that do this connection again, because now this works. I installed it in here, this area, there is this, now it works. But then when I change this position, that this one is in here and that one, now we can see that no any work. Okay, and this is really interesting, because if we have normal this halogen light, it works even that we can disconnect these cables in that one in here or that one in here, and it works still. Okay, thank you my friend, and thumb up if you liked that my brake LED light information.